The third phase for the operational plan of the ABLE or the ABLE campaign is the program implementation. The goal here is to apply inclusive education strategies in real school settings. Here, inclusive practices will be launched in selected schools and we can gradually observe from then on their effectiveness. So there will be a collaboration with policymakers to support inclusive education through legislation, and peer support systems will be established along with the sustained support from our partners. So here is the structure table outlining the means and tools for each key element. As we can see, we will be using training modules or video presentation for the pilot initiative, and resolutions will be drafted for policy making, and success stories and testimonials will be presented. And finally, posters, radio spots, and social media campaigns will be used to invite and conduct community education campaigns. The fourth phase of the campaign is the monitoring and evaluation of the program. The goal here is to measure success, consolidate insights, and enhance future efforts. Participatory tools and discussions with stakeholders will be used to gauge progress, and student performance, teacher engagement, and the effectiveness of the interventions will be tracked, and the results will be used to refine the programs, share best practices, and publish policy briefs to influence broader implementation. So here is the structure table outlining the means and tools for each key element. As we can see, a mix of quantitative and qualitative tools will be used to really measure the effectiveness of the program. So we will use surveys, feedback forms, and a series of FGDs for this. And the findings will be presented on multi-sectoral forums or academic conferences. Okay, the last part of this section is the expected outcomes of the plan. We listed 4 outcomes. First, there will be a greater awareness and acceptance. It is expected that schools and communities will be more informed and supportive of differently able students, which will reduce stigma and promote inclusion. Second, more teachers will be equipped with practical strategies to effectively teach in inclusive classrooms. Third, mainstream schools will have improved infrastructure and access to assistive tools to better support differently abled learners. And lastly, stronger policies and increased government backing will ensure long-term sustainability and expansion of inclusive education efforts. So that is it for the social mobilization component of the ABLE or the ABLE program.